हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं आपका दोस्त मोहम्मद अंसारी और आज हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल अंसारी मोबाइल टेक में एक बार आपका फिर से स्वागत है। तो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपको ये दिखाने वाले हैं कि आईफोन 6s चाइना क्लोन को कैसे डिसेंबल करें। हाउ टू डिसेंबल आईफोन चाइना क्लोन 6। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाइज, यू नीड टू ओपनर फॉर आईफोन internal screw and a forehead screw driver. Now first of all, unscrew two drivers, two screw from the bottom. After it, you need to tweezer like this, a knife like this, and you need to disassemble this part of golden, not opening your LCD. Like this. This is like a back cover. You need to first remove the back cover from your iPhone 6, not out of all your LCD. Okay, after it, forehead screwdriver and remove the one screw from here. You can see I am going to remove one screw from here. After removing one screw, just simply disassemble your LCD from your phone. You can see like this. This is the battery and this is the phone. Now if you want to remove the logic board, first of all disassemble this power button from here. This is the stick-in with super glue, and just open this LCD port cable, open camera cable, and open the touch cable. That's it. Open the charging cable. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 screw, 5. Remove the 5 screw. There is the vibrator and this is the earpiece. Remove first of all vibrator and remove the earpiece from here. And this is the volume and vibrator cable. If you want to remove this one, simply remove the glue from here. And this is your iPhone 6s China clone has been disassembled. That is guys, this is the iPhone 6 China clone. You can see from here, this is the iPhone 6 China clone disassembled. Thank you guys for watching my videos. If you like this video, please share with your friends and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.